Welcome back to your expense tracker mini project where we find out how much you cost. Our spreadsheet is looking pretty great. In this video, we are going to be creating a summary table in order to organize our expenses. By the end of this
Now,
video,
of
you will
course,
know
here
how
in
to
the
apply
summary
the unique
section, I can
formula
just
to
list
auto-list
all the
our spending
categories that I've
categories.
used and
This is going to be
referenced in
useful
column
as we
B
will
by
create a
hand.
blank template to
This
use
is a
from
little
month to
less
month.
powerful
So if
than
there are
using
certain
a formula,
categories that
though.
you have
There
zero
are two
expenses in
advantages to
for a
using the
particular
unique
month,
formula here.
then that
The first
category won't
advantage
appear
is
in your
that it's
summary table.
automatic. So
That's
if
how the
there is a
unique feature
category that
works.
doesn't get
Let's
used
learn more
in a
about that.
particular month, that category will not be listed in your summary table. The other advantage is that if you end up changing your categories, going back into our cleanup tab, we are going to start in cell G1 and add a heading called summary. And then let's also generate headings for Thai baht and Canadian dollar in our summary table. Our goal is to have our table look something like this in the end. Let's say from one month to the next, you decide to add or take away spending categories or maybe make them more detailed. All of those will update automatically. I'll show you what I mean at the end of this video. Starting in cell G2, type in equals and then enter in unique. Now, anytime you have questions about how a formula works, what you can do is hover over this question mark and press it, and it gives you an idea of how the syntax works for that particular formula. So here, the unique formula asks you to select a certain range of cells. So I'm going to select all of the cells in column B except for B1. So we'll start in B2 and we'll use a colon to indicate the range. So the range that we want selected is everything in column B starting from B2. And that's it. Now we close our bracket, press enter. As you can see, the unique formula returns any unique values in the range selected, namely column B, and it removes any duplicates. Let's say, for example, my bike repair ended up being a personal spending and the fire documentary was also a personal spending. Now you'll see that this section in the summary table has updated, and now the other category is no longer here because it didn't appear for this month. But let me undo that, and let's recenter this text here. So this is the basics of the unique formula.
Great job. In the next video, we are going to complete our summary table and learn about the sum-if formulas, and look at the differences between relative and absolute cell references. In our video on the Google Finance function, we've already looked at relative cell references. It's going to be very useful for us to also look at the differences between the relative cell reference and the absolute cell reference in order to optimize our spreadsheets. Thanks for watching.